Hello traders, today is 17th of November. What a blessing day, guys. We are banking amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market pound dollar cable this morning. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, pretty straightforward. This morning we also had a nice beautiful short trade here. As mentioned to my trader, trade what you see here. So if you look at this candlestick, while the candle was coming down, we had this beautiful breakout and we were expecting a pullback, by the way, at this level, which is market nicely developed pullback, and the pound is going up now. So we also had the short trade bank after one banking. We are holding a long trade here. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in intraday and help my traders not to miss any opportunity. So you can see here this morning that was the pretty straightforward just before London Open. As explained, look for breakout, so market nicely broken. As soon as the market hit to the previous low level, that's what I explained my trader. Let's bank some profit. Let's see here the market reaction. So we can see a market nicely hit, bank some profit. After that, if you look at here, the market has developed the pattern, and 4 hour we were the major support level. And if you look ahead, the market developed low high. That's a good sign, high probability. So as explained my trade, watch this area. So technically market should develop pullback, but safest way, let's see here market is, if the market is gonna break and fail not to respect this area, then I'm high probability, because based on the 4 hour market was at the major support level. Beautiful breakout, nicely hit to the first target. That's what explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit. And after banking some profit, keep taking another pullback, which is just performed that pullback. Now let me share with you. Let me share with you guys. So you can see my traders are enjoying it. You can see it. Pullback is performed. They can squeeze few more PPs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. You want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome. Don't waste your time. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, guys.